Today, let's talk about optical illusion on your models. Welcome to another episode of FranknCarrie's Homestead. Model building. When you're building your models, think of optical illusion. Or in other words, you're fooling the person that are looking at your models. You want your models to look as realistic as you can. I'll show you some pictures here in a little bit of some optical illusions of a completed car and with the backgrounds and stuff like that. Also, one thing I do like, find it here, go to your hobby shops that has model kits and you might find these. They're called a detailing pin. This one here is the top back on. It's called liquid chrome. These come in handy to do your trim work, your door handles, your window trim. This one I started on. You can see that's windshield wipers done and that, and I'll show you a little bit of how I do that. And you can see I still got it on my empty paint can. You take your pen, you just gradually, lightly touch it like that. As you can see, door handle's done. Window trim, a little more difficult. Okay, so on the window trim, do the same thing real lightly. Just come in here, draw straight, bring it straight across, like so. You go back and you touch it up. Turn it here so I can see. Good idea to have a good place to rest your arm. Bring it across. So you can go back, touch up whatever you need to touch up. Bring it around. Most all your models will have you can see the line where you need to be. Right. There's the rear window chrome. These pens are very easy to use. They work for fine detailing. I use them several times on different things. Okay, so show you how that pen works and how well it works. Like I said, you can look at your box. Your model come in if you want to do it exactly like it is. see what kind of detailing there is. Sometimes they have good pictures. This one doesn't really have all that good of pictures on it as far as detailing. Some do. And, you know, but you want to make your car look as real as possible. Like I said, in the last video, you know, floor mats, gauges, a lot of things on the interior. You go to your hobby store. I did this yesterday. I went to a hobby store, and I didn't just go to the model section and look around. I walked over into the crafts area, scrapbooking area, any places like that, because you never know what you may find. In the scrapbooking, I was looking around, and I didn't buy any, because there wasn't really any I found, but you can find stickers. Some of the stickers you can find are pretty interesting. They may fit your model, they may not. Yesterday I didn't find any that I liked. I went to where they have dollhouse items. Another place, you know, you're looking. Say you're looking for something that is unique. That you want to. Say you're building a pickup, and you want it to be a farming pickup. You want some little hay bales or something like that to put in the back of the pickup. Look around in your hobby shops. Another good area to look is model train building. The model train diorama things. You got trees. You got farm animals. You have there's an unlimited resource in that area. I seen little hay bales yesterday that I was looking at. I was like, I might be able to use one of them one of these days. There's dioramas for model car building you can find online, a garage setting, anything like that. And when you get your car built, look at, okay, I want to take pictures of my car, pickup, whatever, and I want to make it look real. Well, there's techniques to do that with trick photography. Like I said, I'm going to, I'll insert, I think I got 3 pictures that I found that I thought was good, and I'll put them right here above. Maybe will be that corner of pictures of them. But most of all, remember, detail your models the very best you can. Take your time and think about what you want your model to look like on the outcome. When you're all finished, what do you want that model to look like? Do you want it to look like a regular model? Do you want it to look real? You know, whatever you prefer, think in your mind of how to get to that point. That's why this one is taking a long time, because I do a lot of thinking when I build models. And these models, I could throw one together in 2 days, no problem. But I like to make them as real as I can, I try to come up with ideas of what can I make a model better. Do searches online. You know, you can always find photos. Go to the photo part of like Yahoo Images. And say you're looking for a cartoon character for your model. For a hood ornament. Okay? For a hood display. Okay? They're out there. And then you can buy clear decal film. And these work on your printer. You put them in, and you print them just like you're printing paper. One thing you got to remember though is make sure you have it so the background is not a black or any dark colors. You know, clear, you know, like a clear look white, whatever you want to call it, is the best. And we'll go into that in more detail in the future. But anyway, that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. What's most important is smile today, smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them.